Louis Pasteur was a French scientist who made significant contributions to the field of microbiology and immunology. Born on December 27, 1822, in Dole, France, Pasteur's work revolutionized our understanding of disease and paved the way for advancements in medical science. Here is the complete story of Louis Pasteur without errors in the English language. Louis Pasteur grew up in a humble family and displayed a keen interest in science from an early age. He obtained his bachelor's degree in letters and sciences before moving on to pursue a degree in physics at the prestigious École Normale Supérieure in Paris. Pasteur completed his doctorate in 1847 and embarked on a career in teaching and research. In the mid-19th century, the prevailing belief was in the theory of spontaneous generation, which proposed that living organisms could arise spontaneously from non-living matter. Pasteur set out to challenge this idea through a series of experiments. He designed a flask with a long curved neck that allowed air to enter but prevented dust and microorganisms from contaminating the liquid inside. Pasteur boiled the liquid to kill any existing organisms and observed that no new life forms appeared, effectively disproving spontaneous generation. Pasteur's experiments on fermentation were groundbreaking. He discovered that fermentation was caused by microorganisms, and he developed a process called pasteurization to prevent the spoilage of food and beverages. This technique involved heating liquids to a specific temperature to kill harmful bacteria while preserving their flavor and nutritional value. Pasteur's pasteurization process revolutionized the dairy industry and had a profound impact on public health. In the 1870s, Pasteur turned his attention to the study of infectious diseases. He made significant advancements in the understanding of diseases such as anthrax, chicken cholera, and rabies. Pasteur developed vaccines for these diseases by weakening the pathogens or using attenuated strains that stimulated the immune system without causing illness. His work laid the foundation for modern immunization practices and saved countless lives. Pasteur's contributions to science and medicine earned him numerous accolades and recognition. In 1888, he founded the Pasteur Institute in Paris, which became a leading research center for infectious diseases. His discoveries and techniques continue to inspire scientists and medical professionals to this day. Here are some additional details about Louis Pasteur and his contributions. 1. Germ theory of disease. One of Pasteur's most significant contributions was the establishment of the germ theory of disease. He demonstrated that many diseases were caused by microorganisms rather than by spontaneous generation or other theories prevalent at the time. This discovery had a profound impact on medicine and led to the development of effective strategies for disease prevention and treatment. 2. Vaccination against rabies. Pasteur's work on developing a vaccine for rabies is particularly noteworthy. He developed a technique to weaken the rabies virus by drying its spinal cords, which allowed him to create a vaccine. In 1885, Pasteur successfully tested the vaccine on a 9-year-old boy named Joseph Meister, who had been bitten by a rabid dog. This breakthrough marked a major milestone in the field of immunization. 3. Silk industry and silkworm disease. Pasteur also played a crucial role in saving the French silk industry. In the 1860s, the industry was facing a crisis due to a disease affecting silkworms called peabrine. Pasteur identified the cause of the disease as a microsporidian parasite and developed methods to control its spread. His research and interventions helped revive the silk industry in France. Wait for the second part of